A quiet revolution is brewing in the smartphone world, and it's coming straight from Google. The Pixel 11 Pro XL might just rewrite the rules of what a flagship phone can do, from blazing, fast processing to cameras that feel almost alive, and even connectivity that could leave every other phone scrambling to keep up. This is more than a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile tech. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's start with the design because, let's be honest, first impressions matter. Rumors point to a massive 6.88-inch LTPO OLED display delivering buttery smooth visuals at 1:1. Outdoor visibility is expected to be excellent, so sunny days won't wash out your screen. Google seems to be pushing for minimal bezels and a refined glass and metal finish, hinting at a premium feel that matches its ambitions. It's the kind of display that can turn scrolling your feed into an oddly mesmerizing experience, and gaming, well, that's about to get a serious upgrade. Now, the cameras, the part that really excites Pixel fans. Leaks suggest a triple rear setup with a 50MP main sensor, a periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom, and an ultrawide for those sweeping shots. The front camera could land somewhere between 42MP and 50MP, backed by Google's AI wizardry for night shots, cinematic video stabilization, and possibly mind-blowing hybrid zoom. If these rumors are accurate, this could be the kind of camera phone that leaves everyone else scrambling, from iPhone to Samsung. Under the hood, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on the new Tensor G6 chip, built on a 4nm process. That promises faster performance, better efficiency, and smarter AI capabilities. Google, exclusive features like real-time translation, advanced voice recognition, and intelligent on-device tools could finally feel seamless. Early leaks hint at a switch from Samsung's modem to MediaTek's M90, meaning better 5G performance, cooler operation, and longer battery life. It's a subtle shift with potentially massive impact. Speaking of battery, the phone is rumored to house between 5,000 and 5,500 mAh, with charging speeds rumored up to 450 W. Wireless and reverse wireless charging might be on board too, so your earbuds or smartwatch can power up from your phone. Other whispers include Gorilla Glass Victus protection, IP68 water resistance, ultra-wideband support, and even a satellite SOS feature for emergencies. Google seems to be building a phone that's not just powerful, but also remarkably resilient and versatile. On the software side, Android 15 is expected to be preloaded, with Google committing up to 7 years of updates. That's massive, outpacing most Android competitors, and even keeping up with Apple's long-term support. If Google delivers on this, the Pixel 11 Pro XL might become the most future-proof smartphone of its generation. The lineup itself is evolving too. We might see the standard Pixel 11 alongside a Pixel 11 Pro, Pro XL, and even a Pro Fold. Codename leaks suggest the foldable will be internally referred to as WAGI or 9Y4, confirming Google's dedication to its foldable ambitions. And given the competition, with Samsung pushing the S25 Edge and Apple releasing the Air series, Google might surprise us with ultra-thin, ultra-light designs. It's clear this isn't just another Pixel year, it's potentially a landmark one. Of course, all of this is still rumor territory. Launch is unlikely before August 2026, and while leaks give us hints, Google has a way of throwing curveballs. That said, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could easily challenge the likes of the iPhone and Galaxy flagship lineups, redefining what users expect from a premium smartphone. From display to camera, performance to software longevity, this might just be the device that forces everyone else to up their game. So, what do you think? Are the Pixel 11 Pro XL's rumors enough to make you wait until next year, or will you stick with your current device? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We've got a lot more tech secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one!